Do you know that I'm going to give a speech on Independence Day? Now I'm here to deliver it in front of you. Please cooperate me. Now, before going to the speech, I want to ask you a question. Do you know what is the importance of legacy of sacrifice? Don't worry about it. I'm here to explain you. Today, today we gather not to commemorate an event, but to relive the spirit that shaped our nation. Independence Day is more than a date on the calendar. It is the culmination of centuries of resistance, resilience, and relentless sacrifice. From the revolts of 1857 to the Quit India movement of 1942, our path to freedom was stained with blood and illuminated by the ideas of brave individuals. Freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose not dream an India hattered or weakened by corruption. They envision a land of equality, dignity, and opportunity. Today, as free citizens, our truest tribute lies in preserving this vision. Not with words, but through actions. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Geetanjali from 8th standard. First of all, happy Independence Day for everyone. As we celebrate Independence Day, let me ask you some questions. Do you think that we are really independent? Do you think that we are really free? Okay, let us remember that true freedom transcends political boundaries. Yes, India gained independence from British rule on August 15, 1947. But the essence of freedom was far deeper. It lies in the freedom to think without fear, to speak without censorship, and to live with dignity. In a world grappling with inequality, environmental degradation, and social unrest, freedom also demands some responsibility. Now, honestly, answer to my questions. Do you really think that we are free if a child steals beg on streets? Do you think that we are really independent if a woman feels unsafe in public places? Our celebration must go beyond flags and parades. This Independence Day be a call to our confidence. Jai Bharat.
Hi guys, I'm Shruti from Class 8 A section. Now I'm here to speak about women freedom fighters. Before speaking, I'm gonna ask you a few questions. Does anybody know when did we get freedom? Okay, can you name any few freedom fighters? Nice, but let me help you. There are many unsung women freedom fighters in our country, like Jhansi Lakshmi Bai, Aruna Asaf Ali, and many more. But we talk about men. Every woman in our country will get freedom when every person and every woman can express her thoughts, her ideas, and can speak freely in our society. I hope every woman in our country will get that day. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Hi guys, this is Vikta from class 9. Now I am going to deliver a speech about independence. Today we celebrate our hard-earned independence. But are we truly free from injustice and hatred? Let us ask ourselves, do we treat everyone with equality? Do we care food on the planet? Freedom makes us more kind and responsible. Let us free from ignorance, fear and lies. Let's be better for our nation. Let us respect our constitution and its values. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. Thanks for your opportunity.
Oh, Bharat ko jaane. Raj Raja, he was the most famous king, Chola dynasty, who ruled between. Hey Lasha, what are you reading? I'm reading Bharat ko jano. Bharat ko jano. Are you busy? Some little. Oh, what are you reading about? I'm reading about Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh, do you know when did he die? He was 23, right? Incredible courage, such an age. Yes, there are many people like him. Jhansi Lakshmi Bai, Chandrasekhar Azad, and others. They didn't think twice before they risking their lives for our country. Yes, their love to our country was powerful and pure. True patriot, we should not forget this. I think schools should teach about those heroes, not just textbooks. Agreed. Maybe through stories, plays, or movies. Yes, that would be the best example for bravery, sacrifice, and strength. I wish I had 1% of their courage. Yes, I think we should stand up by ourselves for what's right. That would be the best tribute we can give. Oh, I think it's time. Let's go to class.